Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. In this video today, we're going to talk about drill bits. I got 3 different drill bits right here. I'm going to show these to you guys. I'm going to tell you which one I personally think is the best one. And hey, you can make the decision for yourself, but I'm going to tell you which one I prefer to make your job and your life easier. So stay tuned, check this video out. Hopefully it'll help you the next time you got to run wire or you just need to drill some holes. Make it a whole lot quicker and easier. You can buy the correct drill bit. Alright, first one we're going to drill with is just a regular drill bit, okay? It's got the little point on there to get you started in your wood, where if you have a mark here, let's say we want to start on that little knot, you can just put your point on there and that's going to keep you in line. So let's get this one in the drill here. There you go. There's one hole. Alright, here's our next one. This is what you call a paddle bit. Okay, this is a 1/2 inch. Obviously you can see it says it here. And same type of deal. You got your little spot there. If you have, like, say this here, say you want to start on that little hole or a mark, you can just put it on it and get you started and guide you right down into it. So let's drill with this one. Alright, last but not least, this is what is called a speed bore bit. This one is, in my opinion, the best one, the best drilling, the smoothest drilling, the quickest drilling out of all these bits. And even if you throw anything else in there, in my opinion, this here is the way to go. So let's drill with this one here. Same type of deal I told you with the other two. It's got you a spot there on the front. If you got a mark, we'll just pick this little spot here. Kind of put your point on there. And this goes through no problem. I'm getting ready to start upstairs in the barn. I'm going to start working on that. I already have the electric wire, so I'm going to go ahead. I got some extra time, so I'm going to go ahead and start drilling the holes for that. Me personally, I'm going to use a speed bore bit. That's what I prefer. I have the other ones. They're not bad. They're nice to have if you don't have anything else. But me personally, I prefer the speed bore. They are the best in my opinion. This one here is brand new. It did a pretty good job. Once they start getting wore out, they're not worth a whole lot either. But I mean, the speed bore, I've hit nails with them and all kinds of stuff, and it still holds its edge pretty good, and it drills a lot of holes. I'm telling you, it drills a bunch of holes without going dull. That's another reason I like them. The paddle bits, they work pretty good too, but to me, they seem to get wore out a lot faster. So, like I said, in my opinion, out of all of them, I'd take the speed bore over any of them any day. Guys, so hey, in the comments below, tell me what you think. If you think one of the other one's better, that's fine. I mean, everybody's entitled to their opinion. But let me know what you guys think. Or if you got any questions, shoot me an email in the description or put it in the comments. I try to respond to everybody. Guys, so if you would, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and remember, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching. Hey guys, this video here may not seem like a whole lot to you if you know stuff about drill bits, but you know what? You could say, hey, go get me a paddle bit, and somebody's like, well, what's a paddle bit? You try to pull my leg? Some of the videos I put out there is for some stuff that's, like I said, it's more advanced, and some stuff is pretty beginner stage stuff. People that maybe don't know any of the stuff about construction, they're just trying to figure it out. You know what? And some people, hey, it's interesting to know. Some people have never heard of a speed bore bit. I'm telling you, speed bore bits is where it's at. So, hey, watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and hopefully you learn something from it. Whether you're more advanced or you're just a beginner, you can learn something from this video, and hopefully it helps you out the next time you have to go drill a bunch of holes. That's what we're here for, is to make your life easier. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.